Hello everyone, today we will demonstrate the disassembly process about iPhone 3G and iPhone 3GS. First of all, you need to confirm which phone you have. So here we have two phones. On my left hand is the iPhone 3GS, which is the latest print on the back cover is silver shining color. And on my right hand is the normal iPhone 3G. The latest printed is the gray color, which you can see the big difference between each other. The disassemble procedure of these two is pretty much the same. So today we will be using iPhone 3G as the example. Before you start anything, you need to check the parts you get and the tools you get. So if you want to change your battery, this is the battery light. If you want to change your front glass and the digitizer, which is a touch screen, this is the digitizer with the cables. You need to make sure the cables is not broken. And this is the iPhone 3G LCD display. So we put the parts aside, and next you need to check the tools you get. First of all, the most important thing, you need a Phillips head, cross head screwdriver like this, and a flat head screwdriver, and some plastic opening tools, which you can open the cables without damaging. The suction tools, which we will show you how to use it. The stickers for the digitizer. After you disassemble the digitizer, when you install it, you need to put the sticker on the frame first to enhance the digitizer firmly. So let us start. First, you need to turn off your phone. Now the phone is off. Then you locate the two bottom screws. Use the Phillips head to unscrew it. Now choose the suction tool, put on the screen, lift it gently, and then you will see the screen and the digitizer, the assembly is opened. There are some cables attached on the main board. You need to open it gently, and there are three cables here. Two cables is just placed on the main board. The other one you need to lift the opener and open it. So now the phone has two parts. One is the screen, one is the main board. So if we want to change battery, you need to open this main board. Now I demonstrate how to open the screen. So take off the suction. You don't need it anymore. Use the Phillips head to unscrew all the 6 screws on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is here. Now choose the flat screwdriver. There's a metal frame in the middle. You can open it from the side, lift it, one side, the other side lift it, and take off it. Slide down gently, take it off. On my right hand is the display LCD, which is the display function. If you can't see anything or the inside is cracked, you need to change this part. The outside is a frame with audio cables, home button, and a digitizer. To take off the display LCD from the frame, the only thing you need is to put the flat screwdriver or some knife on the edge, slide down from this side, and you can take off from the metal frame. Then when you put a new one on, there's 2 holes at each corner. You will align the LCD to these 2 holes. So it is a very easy procedure. I won't demonstrate here. So I put it aside. The take off the digitizer is a little bit complicated because the digitizer is enhanced by the double-sided stick from here and here. So you need slide it up, open it, make a gap, and use the flat screwdriver, insert in. Take off your damaged digitizer by peel off from the frame, but do it gently to make sure no cables is damaged in the procedure and no frame is damaged. Sometimes the digitizer is cracked so badly, you need to use some little knives to scratch the digitizer from the bottom and take it off. So make sure you take off like this, and then put this aside. Don't hurt yourself. And these 2 parts is how you stick this sticker before you install a new one. So after take off the digitizer, please check the home button is still okay, the contact is still okay, the audio cable is still okay. So now you peel this off. Before you stick this one, clean this all the pieces to make sure no extra grooves or sticker left. But now because of the time, I won't clean it now, but you have to clean it. So enhance it. Both sides. To make sure everything aligned, press it. Peel the protect lever. Then you can install a new one. For the LCD, when you receive a new one, the cables is always straight, like this. You need to bend it in the right way, otherwise you will damage the cable. So use the old one as an example. See how Apple bend it. Apple bend it from the bottom line, white line here. So you need to bend it the new LCD like that way. The 3 lines, the only line you need to bend is the bottom, which you need to bend it gently without damaging the cable. So that's all the front piece. Now I'm going to disassemble the bottom piece to show you how to change the battery. So there's some connections on the main board, which is 2 from the top. Open it, use your plastic opening tool gently. 1 from the bottom, open it gently. This is iPhone 3G. If you have iPhone 3GS, there's the extra cables here, so just do like all the other threes, open it. Now you can see after you open it, you have some screws attached on the main board. First of all, take off the SIM card reader, put aside. The screws here there are three screws on the left, 1, 2, 3. 5 screws on the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Under the black label, there's the number 5. So open them all. So after you disassemble all the screws, you can use the flat screwdriver to lift up the main board. But make sure your screwdriver don't touch any IC chips on the main board. So after you take off the main board, you can lift the battery out and then replace a new one. That's all. Thank you.